Steve Carell makes that noise sometimes.
Which one?
The one that I just did.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Well, so there's a great Office episode where he actually explains why he does it.
Mhm.
And they're sitting there with Jan and like this other guy, and he's trying to be really sociable, and the other dude is like kind of buying it, you know. And Jan's like business, 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 and then she says something like totally out of line. And he's just like, and he turns to the camera and he's like, "See, that's why I really didn't want to do that, but she just made me."
That's hysterical.